Hello and welcome to Driver's Habits. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight on Citroën C3. First, you need to lift the hood. On top of the mask there are 4 bolts, 2 10mm and 2 Torx bolts, T20. So, use your ratchet or a screwdriver to remove these bolts. And pull out the mask from the edges. On top of the bumper there are 3 T30 Torx bolts you need to remove. Behind the wheel there are some clips you need to remove. So, turn the steering wheel and now you see the clips you need to remove. You can use 2 flat screwdrivers to pull the clip. To remove completely the clip, use your pliers. And do the same process to the other. Behind the wheel cover there is a screw between the bumper and the fender you need to unscrew. It's better to use your ratchet with a universal joint to do the work easier. And now the bumper is almost free. At the bottom of the headlight you need to unhook the bumper. And now you have enough room to work. As you see, there are 2 bolts you need to remove at the bottom of the headlight and it comes out. So use your ratchet with a 12mm socket and extension. Remove the clip from the top of the headlight and pull the headlight out. Pull the red safety lock and disconnect the power connector. If your bulbs are in good condition, remove and set them to the new headlight. Or, if you want, you can replace all the bulbs. remove the cover from the new headlight. Unclip the safety pins to install the bulbs. And set all the bulbs to the positions and the power connectors. Place the cover and secure it. Set the plastic support to the new headlight. Connect the power connector and push the safety lock. Before the assembly, check if all the bulbs working properly. Nice. Now, screw the two bolts of the headlight . And hook up the bumper to the headlight. Screw the bolt between the fender and the bumper with the ratchet and the universal joint. The two clips that we remove. And if it's needed, hit them gently with a hammer. Do the same process for the other clip. Place the 3 bumper screws . And tighten by the hand. Place the mask and push until you hear the click. Set all the screws on top of the mask . And tighten by the hand. Remove the protection film and you have a new nice and clear headlight. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are not a subscriber, subscribe.